Good morning, guys. Paul here. Today I'm doing coolant on a couple of my vehicles. I don't use Dex Cool in my GM vehicles. I've heard it can turn corrosive and actually destroy heater cores and whatnot, so I run Prestone in 2 GM vehicles that I have and 2 Mercedes, and I have never had an issue with it. They say it's good for up to 5 years or 150,000 miles. I never run it that long. I change it out every 3 years. Because I do it frequently, it never looks that bad. I haven't needed to do engine flushes. On a 02 Silverado is what I'm doing today, a 1500 Chevy Silverado. On the left-hand side of the vehicle, on the driver's side, if you look down in here, you'll see there's a screw down there. You back that out. There's a little hose that loops up through the top here that you can lower down to a catch pan. There's no need to get under the vehicle or anything. You have to loosen the fill cap on your reservoir back there, or you will have a vacuum lock happen and it will not drain out. Just back that valve out down there, that cock or whatever, that plug, and let it drain for a while. I like to do this when a car is cold. If you do have to do an engine flush, you're going to close that up, put your engine flush in, and do not use tap water or spring water. The minerals in those waters can be detrimental to the cooling system and your engine. Only use distilled water. So if you're going to do a flush, follow the directions on the flush. You can flush it out once or twice with clear distilled water, and then go with your antifreeze mixture. I like to use the condensed, and I make it 50-50 myself. It's cheaper that way, and it's not that big of a deal. So what you're going to do is let it thoroughly drain, and then proceed with either a flush, or if not needed, then just close that valve, put that hose back up where it belongs, fill it up, run the car. After you fill it up, make sure you work the air out of the system. This does not have a bleeder valve on it, so you just have to let it run and let the air work out of the system. Put your heater on high so the heater core is getting circulated, so the air comes out of that. And then after the air gets out and it gets up to normal operating temperature, just top this off to where it's supposed to be, and run it, take it for a short spin, or run it through some various RPM ranges and check your fluid level again. Be careful when doing it hot, because this can be pressurized if you're going to open that cap to look in there. You should be able to see where your level is because they're clear, but if yours is all dirty or whatnot, make sure you're cautious opening that cap. Another thing to please keep in mind, antifreeze is toxic to animals. Dogs love the taste of it. It's very sweet. Other animals will lick it up too, and it'll kill them. It's not good for the environment. So when you do drain this stuff, put it back in the old containers, or find some other jugs to put it in. Bring it to a recycle center or an automotive store. Most of them will take it and dispose of it properly. So take good care of your cars. They'll take care of you, and take good care of the environment and our little animal friends. It's a very quick and simple video, guys. I hope it was helpful to somebody. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and subscribe. Help my channel grow here. Actually, it's our channel. Help it grow. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. I don't think I forgot anything this time. Usually I end my videos with coming back because I forgot something. I think I got everything. Distilled water. Only distilled water, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.